Imagine a world where your air conditioner not only cools your room, but also adjusts humidity levels based on your preferences, all through a simple voice command. Sounds like science fiction? Well, in China, this is already a reality, thanks to the transformative power of artificial intelligence, AI. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. AI is not just enhancing individual devices, it's revolutionizing the entire consumer electronics and home appliance industry, creating a future where technology seamlessly integrates into every aspect of daily life. As of October 6, 2025, China has become a global leader in AI-driven innovation, with smart televisions that allow users to play games, exercise, shop online, and video chat with loved ones, all through intuitive interfaces powered by AI. This is just the tip of the iceberg. And this is the part most people miss. AI's ability to learn from user habits and preferences is making home appliances not just smart, but deeply personalized, catering to the unique needs of each individual. The rapid evolution of AI is expected to fuel new growth drivers in China's economy, injecting vitality into the home appliance sector. Experts highlight that AI is not only boosting productivity and reshaping market competition, but also modernizing traditional manufacturing processes. China's State Council has reinforced this vision with the AI Plus initiative, aiming to integrate AI across 6 key sectors: science, industry, consumption, welfare, governance, and global cooperation by 2027. By 2030, over 90% of new generation intelligent devices are projected to be AI-enabled. Here's a bold prediction. Any enterprise that fails to embrace AI will likely be left behind. Zhou Yunjie, CEO of Haier Group, emphasizes that AI is the biggest technological revolution of the next 50 years. From manufacturing to customer service, AI is being deployed across the board, with companies like Haier investing heavily in large language models, LLMs, to enhance smart home devices. Similarly, TCL Technology Group's Li Dongsheng points out that AI's impact on high-tech manufacturing will far exceed its role in end products, significantly improving production efficiency and competitiveness. China's AI advancements are closing the gap with the United States, particularly with the rise of homegrown startups like DeepSeek. The government's 2025 work report underscores the commitment to merging digital technologies with manufacturing strengths, fostering the development of intelligent terminals and smart factories. By 2025, the smart home devices market in China is projected to reach a staggering 952.3 billion yuan, $133.9 billion, with AI penetration surpassing 50%. But here's the controversial part. While AI promises immense benefits, challenges remain. Interoperability issues between devices from different manufacturers and reliance on foreign suppliers for high-end chips are hurdles that need addressing. Critics argue that without standardized protocols, the smart home ecosystem could become fragmented, limiting its potential. What do you think? Is China's AI-driven transformation a blueprint for the future, or are there risks that outweigh the rewards? Companies like Gree Electric Appliances and Hisense are already leveraging proprietary AI models to enhance product capabilities, from energy-efficient air conditioners to TVs with advanced reasoning abilities. Meanwhile, Midea Group is expanding AI applications into healthcare and robotics, showcasing the technology's versatility. As consumers increasingly demand high-quality AI-enabled devices, the smart home sector is poised for explosive growth. However, experts like Zhu Kali caution that improving computing power and algorithm efficiency is crucial for maximizing AI's potential. Here's a thought-provoking question. As AI becomes more integrated into our homes, how do we balance convenience with concerns over data privacy and security? China's AI journey is not just about technological advancement. It's about redefining how we live, work, and interact with our environment. The next decade will be pivotal, with AI expected to contribute 1.73 trillion yuan to China's economy by 2035. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a skeptic, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and its impact will be felt far beyond China's borders. What's your take on this revolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below.